It's not often that in Seattle you need an air conditioner, but I will say that this GE 12,200 BTU air conditioner really does put out a substantial amount of coldness. It will fit exactly into a 21 and 7/8 wide, I'm sorry, that's 20 and 7/8 inch wide window. It is exactly 20.52 inches wide, and if you look, you will notice that there's not much room left on either side. Just put some rubber stopping in there. Works very well. The one thing I haven't been able to get is the Wi-Fi. This unit did not come with a network connection and password on the side. It came with an ID, which I cannot get the information from the company yet to hook up the Wi-Fi. But the remote control works fine. The unit is relatively heavy, but two small people can get it. It fits pretty well in the window, and I'm waiting for a stand, but you can see it just fits. This unit is exactly 20.52 inches. Here again, in Seattle, I might only get 1 week a year, but when you want it, it's helpful. This unit replaced a 9,500 BTU unit that was 30 years old, but this one does put out a relatively powerful stream and cools down our bottom floor pretty quickly. They unfortunately lost the first one that I ordered, literally lost it, but this one was sent about a week after and installed right away. So far so good. We'll update next year.